In this video, you are going to see how to make this beautiful eye-catching slide in Microsoft PowerPoint. Let's get started. Here I have already taken a blank slide. Go to Insert, go to Shape, pick a rectangle shape and drag it over here and make sure it covers the whole slide. Again go to Insert, Shape, pick a text box and drag it over here and let us write here PowerPoint. Select it, change the font to Montserrat Extra Bold and change the font size to 110 point and increase the text box size and place it over here. Now click on the rectangle and hold down the Ctrl key and select the text box. Go to Shape Format, go to Align Center and go to Align Middle. Then it will be in the perfect position. Click on the rectangle and hold down the Ctrl key and select the text box. Go to Shape Format, go to Merge Shape, click on Subtract. Then go to Shape Outline, make it no outline. And go to Shape Fill and let us choose this fill color. Blue gray text to darker 25%. And go to Shape Effect, go to Shadow and let us choose this one, Offset Center. And click on it, go to Format Shape, go to Fill and choose the transparency to 12 point. Now I have to insert an image. Go to Insert, go to Picture, go to this device. Let us choose this picture, click on Insert. But we have to make it 16:9 ratio. Click on the image. Go to Picture Format, go to Crop, go to Aspect Ratio and make it 16:9 and click on Outside. Select it and place it like this and make sure it covers the whole slide. Click on it, go to Animation and let us choose this Grow and Shrink animation. Make it with previous, change the duration to 6 seconds. Go to Animation pane, go to Effect option and go to size and make it 130 point and hit enter and click on OK. Click on it and send it to back. Now select the rectangle. Again go to Animation and choose Grow and Shrink. Make it with previous, change the duration to 6 seconds. Go to Effect option, go to size and make it 1000% and click on OK and click on OK. Now we have to insert another animation. Now let us click on the rectangle, go to Add Animation, go to Exit and let us choose Fade and make it with previous, change the duration to 2 seconds and change the delay to 2 seconds. Now let us watch the slideshow and here you will see this is looking very perfect. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.